colleagues of mine at the Concord Consortium and those at West Ed have been working on these things called data biographies. And what they're trying to do is they're trying to create a support for a wide variety of sort of cool topics and aspects like that. That is a data set. So if you were to click on here for this data biography or click on the preview, you land over here and you get a little bit of an understanding of like, well, what's in this data set. And now the first thing that I want to point out is that they have built this out to be for you. So teacher facing. So it might be, you might kind of get a little like, wait, what am I looking at? Because it's called an activity and you're going to begin the activity, but just this is all for you, just like showering you with love and support on, is this a data set I could use for a lesson with my students? So they give you a bit of a sense of how many attributes or variables are in, if they're numeric or categorical or geospatial or sort of like high level information, the number of cases or rows, in this case, whoa, 4,819 rows are in this data set, and then like a little bit more information. And then you can go through and you can get a sense of, well, where did this data set come from? It's helpful to understand like not only what's in the data at a like 40,000 foot level, but also where did the data come from to get a sense of, could this be relevant to your students? Why was it collected? Oh, such a key important detail of when we're looking at a data set, understanding what was the intention? Why was it collected? And then they've got this big long description of all of these attributes with a bit more information. And then you can actually explore the data set. So this is an embedded code app. So you can, this is live, you can add a graph. It's just moving a little bit slowly. And you can, because there are 4,819 rows cases in this particular data biography that I'm showing you. And you can build out some graphs in here as you are working and exploring this data set. Then you can advance forward. Once you get a sense of what is in the data set, you can advance forward to this. Nope, it's not playing right. To the next page. Dun, 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 dun. It's coming. It's coming. Everybody's on summer vacation, where they have identified an awesome range of potential questions you could ask of these data. Okay, so not saying like you have to, but just to kind of spark some ideas on, if I were to use this data set with my students in a lesson plan, what are some questions I could ask? How might we use these data? Not exhaustive, just a sample of questions. How might this relate to our everyday lives or other content that we are covering, and different pieces like that. So, and again, you can keep playing with the data. You can add your own text boxes in different pieces like that.